Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Doppeltcharm Mini Split AC Heating System Air Conditioner. Consists of the following features. High efficiency cooling and heating. With a rating of 19 SEER2 and a cooling/heating power of 18,000 BTU, 208/230 volt, this mini split AC offers powerful performance at extreme temperatures ranging from -13 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, while minimizing energy waste. The cooling area amounts to 1,250 square feet. It is an ideal choice for homes, offices, stores, or warehouses. 4-in-1 smart modes for all seasons. The mini split AC switch seamlessly between cool, heat, dry, and fan modes, with 30-second fast cooling and 60 seconds quick heating for instant comfort. The 4D airflow system and 4-speed options, low, med, high, boost, reach up to 50 feet, ensuring even temperature distribution across the room. Energy-wise operation meets consistent comfort. Smart eco features for effortless savings. Pair with Alexa or use the app for voice control and remote access. Activate Eco Mode to auto-adjust energy use during low-demand periods, set schedules with the timer function to avoid unnecessary operation, and enjoy quiet, efficient nights with Sleep Mode. The self-cleaning function of air conditioner maintains unit hygiene without extra replacements. Smart savings made simple. Whisper quiet operation and low maintenance. Designed with dual-layer sound insulation and low-vibration technology, Mini Split AC operates at just 42 decibels in bedrooms, ensuring undisturbed peace in living or workspaces. Reusable filters, no costly replacements, and seasonal cleaning keep the Mini Split AC running smoothly, cutting maintenance costs while maximizing efficiency. Complete installation kit and professional setup. Mini Split AC includes a 13 feet copper line set, 15 feet communication cable, 8 feet power cord, and 6.5 feet drain tube. Everything needed for setup. Keep the unit upright for 24 hours before installation and hire a licensed HVAC technician for optimal performance. Ships in 2 separate boxes, arrival times may vary, wait for both packages arrived before installation. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.